Is it the right time to buy or sell the QQQ ETF? In this video, we'll be delving deep into the QQQ ETF. We initially published a report on our website on Wednesday, November 29, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's crucial not to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our recently launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from November 2, 2023, our system has identified QQQ as a buy candidate, with a score of 1.10. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown a gain of 7.26%. This means that, on average, it has delivered a daily return of 0.38% since it was classified as a buy candidate. In the short term, the ETF is in the upper part of a wide and weak rising trend. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the top trend line at $391.89 is broken, it would indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 3.19% change over the next 3 months. The possible return falls within a range of -7.85% to 3.74%. On the other hand, the 12-month trend suggests a significant 42.59% change over the next year. This could result in a potential return between 29.68% and 44.44%. In terms of price, we could see the ETF trading between $505.49 and $563.05 after a year. In today's update for QQQ, we have some interesting news to share. The headline reads, "Red Day on Wednesday for QQQ ETF after losing 0.0974%. Let's dive into the details. On Wednesday, the QQQ ETF experienced a decline of -0.0974%, with the price dropping from $390.19 to $389.81. Throughout the day, the ETF's value fluctuated by 1.2%, reaching a low of $389.46 and a high of $394.14. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has gone up by 1.16% and has seen an increase in trading volume of 3 million shares, despite the falling prices. This could be seen as an early warning sign, with a slight increase in risk expected in the coming days. In total, approximately $14.30 billion worth of shares were bought and sold, amounting to 37 million shares. Taking a look at the bigger picture, let's consider the ETF's performance over the past year. The highest price recorded was $394.14, while the lowest price was $259.73. Currently, the price is 1.1% or $4.33 below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it stands at 4.62% or $18.90 below the all-time high, which was reached on November 22, 2021, with a price of $408.71. In this video, we'll be discussing the signals for QQQ, the popular ETF. The QQQ ETF currently shows positive buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals suggests a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case the stock experiences downward corrections, it will find some support from the lines at $389.71 and $370.73. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, sell signals will be triggered. Moreover, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. However, there have been some negative signals as well, which could impact the stock's short-term development. For instance, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, November 20, 2023, resulting in a decline of -0.238% so far. It is expected that the stock will continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is found. It's worth noting that volume increased during the decline in prices, which could serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to closely monitor the QQQ ETF for any further developments. In this video, I will share with you some interesting signals to consider in your trading strategy. The first signal is the moving average convergence divergence, which indicates a buy signal. Another signal to look out for is the pivots, which gave a sell signal 7 days ago. The Bollinger Indicator is also worth noting, as it provided a buy signal 10 days ago. Additionally, the short-term moving average shows a buy signal 22 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average suggests a buy signal 20 days ago. It is also important to consider the relation between the short and long moving averages, which indicated a buy signal 17 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart for further insights. The short moving average signaled a buy 20 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 19 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages also showed a buy signal 6 days ago. For more signals and information, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. When it comes to support levels for the QQQ ETF, we have two key levels to consider. Just below today's level, we have accumulated volume support at $364.70 and $359.97. If the ETF breaks the first support level, it may fall to the next one. So, it's important to keep an eye on these levels. Moving on to the risk involved, it's worth noting that the QQQ ETF has average movements during the day. It also has good trading volume, which indicates a medium level of risk. Let's talk about the recent volatility. In the last day, the ETF moved $4.68 between its high and low points, which is equivalent to a 1.2% change. Looking at the past week, the ETF has had an average daily volatility of 0.83%. Before we explore the optimal trading levels for QQQ, let's take a moment to understand some important fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This critical metric compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A lower P/E ratio might suggest a lack of confidence in the company's future prospects or indicate that the stock is undervalued. In such cases, it could present a potential opportunity for buying. Let's now explore some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the initial resistance level for QQQ is at $390.06. If you don't currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $364.70. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. For this ETF, we recommend setting a stop loss at $379.88, which represents a decrease of 2.55%. This ETF is known for its moderate daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, the RSI 14 is currently at 76, which significantly increases the risk involved in this investment. We also have a sell signal from a pivot top that was identified 6 days ago. Is the QQQ ETF a good investment? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, we believe that there is a potential buying opportunity for the QQQ ETF. Our analysis of volatility and recent market movement suggests that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to Thursday, November 30th, we anticipate the QQQ ETF to open up $1.33 and begin trading at $391.14. Before we dive into the exciting world of trading, it's crucial to remember that there's a high risk of losing money. Always consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. StockInvest.us is an excellent resource, but it shouldn't be the sole basis for your investment decisions. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your investment choices. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your insights. What is your target for the ETF? Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. We sincerely wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.